Bought this at an estate sale today for $5. It's a General Electric clock radio. Having trouble with the zoom there. There's the station it was on. So I spent $25 at an estate sale. This is the only good thing I got. Anyway, it belonged to the guy's wife. The Kings. I think it's from 1988. It doesn't even have a General Electric plug. It's got a set branded plug. And yeah, the battery door is missing. Show you the plug right quick. Oh, speaking of that has a set plug too. Cord set. Set. Taiwan. That's on 100.1037. Which used to be the light rack station. What was it, KLIF or some crap? That's pretty bright.
Flatly denied, as in this case, and terminated, as these people are, that we
Yeah, that's not 1037.
are not part of the class. So we're fine.
Sounds alright. Start at the end of the dial. I mean, the start of the dial.
At the University of California, Los Angeles. During the fires, she and her colleagues like you.
Hey, it gets 92.1. That's kind of remarkable. That's impressive. Ain't no super radio.
Results in 2000.
Something wrong with the foot. The rubber part.
Fix is the best.
Sounds alright. Switch is a bit gummed up. Yeah, because the one I have that's branded Realistic that I took apart to clean and noticed a familiarly, damn it, I didn't say it right that time, familiarly formatted model number, and it's a GE. Did that video right here. On. Looks like the focus broke. Anyway. I turned the alarm to on, off, music. No, audio, radio on, off. Wake to music, wake to alarm. There's the volume AM/FM switch. Snooze. Sleep, wake, hour, minute. Electronic digital AM/FM clock radio. We will clean it up someday.